welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Swiss meringue buttercream pipe cake. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So for this cake, I use Swiss meringue buttercream and not my usual American buttercream. And to explain a little bit the difference between the American buttercream and the Swiss meringue buttercream, the biggest comparison that I can give is the sugar part about it. The American buttercream is more sugary and the Swiss meringue buttercream is more elegant, it's more sophisticated. Normally you would use that more for weddings example. It's a very subtle taste, but you really have to try both of them to see like what you would like, really, because they're completely different to the taste. And I know some people that have tasted Swiss meringue buttercream, they're like, ugh, I don't know, I don't like it, I prefer the American. And then the American buttercream, they're like, oh no, it's too sugary, I prefer the Swiss. So really you have to try it to figure out your taste buds and basically what you like. Basically the recipe for the Swiss meringue buttercream does obviously more steps than the other recipe that I use, the American buttercream one. But basically what you need to do is you need a double boiler. So you need to heat up some water, and then you're going to put your cake bowl, your mixing cake bowl on top of the water with your sugar and your egg whites, and you're gonna constantly whisk until the sugar has completely dissolved. You know when it's ready when you, with your finger, touch the egg whites all the way to the bottom, very important, and then you cannot feel any grains of sugar. When that happens and there's no more grains of sugar, then you know that you can transfer it to your machine, your mixing machine. But if you still feel that there's grains, it means that it's not ready, and you have to continue whisking until everything gets dissolved. So once you get it to the machine, what you're going to do is simply whisk it until it cools down. When it completely cools down, then you can go ahead and add your butter and all that good stuff and extract, whatever you want. You can use vanilla, you can use almond extract, whatever flavor you want. Once your Swiss meringue buttercream is done, you can go ahead and separate it in different bowls, and then you're just going to color it using gel food coloring, liquid food coloring, or even powder food coloring. It tints so well, and it pipes beautifully. Actually, I find that it pipes better than the American buttercream. It's very silky, and yeah. For the piping part about it, you can actually use whatever piping that you want. And I used Wilton 6B, I used Wilton 1M, and a round one also. But literally you can use whatever you want, because all of these are different. What you want, basically, it's different colors and you want different shapes. So when you pipe, you just get that nice intrigued, like, what is this? But they're all different, and it makes like a wow factor to it. And basically that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.